Hey, welcome again, everyone. So, today we are diving deeper into the world of regex in JavaScript. So, get ready to explore quantifiers and some special characters that really amp up our text searching powers. As always, we are using regex 101. So, let's dive in. And first thing is like quantifiers are what? Quantifiers in regex are like telling someone how many candies you want. They let us specify how many times a character or a group should appear. So let's start with the simple ones like plus, asterisk, and the question mark. Now, what is the plus quantifier? Okay, the plus says give me one or more of the preceding element. Think of it as at least one, and it's better to try it out so we can see in action. So let's go with something like a and the plus. Okay, and we are going to write the candy which we just so right. So now what it does here, it highlights the a. Okay, because it looks for the one or more as in a row. Now so if I type a again, or if I go with this kind of like a, then it finds it out. Okay, but if I go with the space and something like that, it is not finding out, even though we have not covered that part. But like to show it over here, we need to pass it with the global parameter. So I'm just going to click on this slash and then click on the global. So it is going to highlight all the matched pattern in a single string. Okay, so earlier it was just matching one and getting stopped there, but with the global parameter it basically matches with all the available in a single string, all the matchable pattern basically. Okay, so now this is the plus character use, and this is a plus quantifier for you. Now moving forward, what we want to do is we want to go for the star one. Okay, now what it does, this one is like saying zero or more. So the plus was saying like one or more, but zero is like something at least there should be one or zero in this. Okay, so now when we did this, okay, it is showing the four matches, but instead of this let's just do something more. Okay, a b, and now uh, I am it is going to match only b, b related character. Okay, so even though these characters are not matching, okay, because we have kept it as like double a, so now we type double a, but the b is not present over here. Okay, even though if I add b then it matches, if I add any other character it doesn't match, and if I add b multiple times still it works. Okay, so this is how we use this star quantifier. And after that there is a question mark quantifier. This one is indecisive. Indecisive in me, like how to explain this. It says zero or one. Okay, earlier ones were like a plus was saying we require at least one, and the star one was saying like we require zero or more, and this one says zero or max one. Okay, so now let's say if I use question mark over here, then it matches with only single character. If I remove this, let's say I need to remove this entire string behind it because it was containing b multiple times. So now it matches with double a. Also, if I add b, then it still matches with the string and it shows up here. If I add another more b, then it won't show it in the match. Okay, so now these are the quantifiers that we learned, and now onto some special characters that are secret agents of regex, always on special mission. So like escape character, it tells the regex to treat the next character as a regular character, not a special one. So if you want to find actual dot, you type like slash and dot. Okay, so let me change the string as well, and I'm going to write string with dot. Okay, now it found the dot, but earlier if I did just something like dot with this, then it finds every character because it's a wildcard character and it matches with any character except new line. But if you want to find exact dot character, then we need to use slash. That is how we can highlight the dot and other special characters as well. Now with this, uh, let's say if I want to find the plus, then I can do the same here. Okay, so it found the plus. So these are the quantifiers and special characters in regex, and you can play around with them on regex 101 or even on your browser with the regex object. So try different combinations and see how they change your matches. It's basically like a puzzle and you are fitting the pieces together. So that's it for today. Thank you, everyone.